Tax controversy specialists versus corporate tax advisors. Which one is better for international tax audits? Facing an international tax audit can be overwhelming, and most companies get it wrong the first time. The surprising truth is that the choice between controversy specialists and corporate tax advisors can determine whether an audit ends smoothly or spirals into costly disputes. Corporate tax advisors provide strategic, proactive planning. They help businesses structure cross-border transactions, manage transfer pricing, and optimize tax efficiency while staying compliant. For example, a multinational corporation expanding into Europe might rely on corporate tax advisors to ensure that corporate tax and withholding rules are followed in every jurisdiction. Their work reduces exposure and prevents issues before authorities intervene. Tax controversy specialists, on the other hand, step in when disputes arise. They manage audits, negotiate with tax authorities, and represent companies in appeals or litigation. In a complex transfer pricing audit, a controversy specialist evaluates the evidence, prepares defense documentation, and engages directly with regulators to achieve the best possible outcome. Their expertise is invaluable when the stakes are high and timelines are tight. The key difference is proactive planning versus reactive defense. Corporate tax advisors aim to prevent audits and reduce liability, while controversy specialists manage and resolve disputes once they occur. The most effective approach for international tax audits is combining both. Corporate advisors minimize risk and prepare thorough documentation, while controversy specialists provide guidance if authorities challenge your reporting. The takeaway is simple: international tax compliance requires both prevention and defense. The surprising truth is that companies relying solely on corporate advisors may be unprepared for aggressive audits, while those using only controversy specialists miss opportunities to reduce risk in advance. Integrating both ensures strategic planning, compliance, and strong defense, making international audits far less stressful and costly.